You know it's the beginning of the pre-fall season, right? But a lot of you, that includes me, we're not ready. We are not ready yet. I am not ready for pre-fall. So you know what you may need? You may not need a new collection of clothes, but maybe you just need just a new pair of, just a new t-shirt. Well, hello, male person, man. Hold on. No, come. You gotta be in the video. This is the coolest delivery. Turn the camera. I mean, how am I gonna put you on TV? Say your name. What is it? Daquan.
Yes.
Daquan, thank you for bringing our mail every day.
Thank you.
Bye, Daquan. And you said my name, Afshin, is difficult. His name is Daquan. I love that name. So, we got mail. It's mostly bills for David. I don't touch that stuff. Okay, so, yes, you just need just a new t-shirt. I promise you, your old t-shirt, especially the white ones and the beige ones, are already like stained and you've been going to the pool and the beach and you're sweating in them. Let's do something new. You don't need an entire new wardrobe, but allow me to introduce a L'Agence t-shirt. So, this is the deal. L'Agence is not known for t-shirts. They're known for their denim and their ready to wear. But you know what? When they make t-shirts, they make a fabulously beautiful quality t-shirt. Look at the work. This is the back of it. The workmanship, the choice of the button, the color of the button. I know it sounds very stupid. This is a ribbed, soft ribbed, I think it's called the 2x1 rib. It's a Henley. The sleeve is not too long, it's not too short, it hits you perfectly where it is. It's not gonna hug. These clothes don't hug. It's a perfect t-shirt. Whoa. It's a perfect t-shirt to wear by itself, wear it underneath a blazer or whatever maybe later on. Here it is in black. It looks as good buttoned all the way up, or kind of little sexy, you know. Grace likes when I talk like that. Oh my God, I didn't say that. Okay, this is their basic t-shirt. Did you just say that? This is their basic t-shirt. The ribbing is perfect. The finish is amazing. It is a beautiful, soft, you know what it is? These are not your daughter's t-shirts. These are adult t-shirts. These are not a t-shirt you find in a youngster type of a store. This is for a sophisticated woman who just wants a good quality t-shirt. They wash well, they don't make that line, that hole. At least I haven't heard from anyone that the L'Agence t-shirts have made holes in the front of the waist. This is the V-neck. They all come in V-neck, crew neck, and black, white, navy, and off-white. So this is the navy. If you bought this already, you already know what it's like. There is one tang. This is the V-neck in white. I mean, I know it's tough to show you what a t-shirt, a white t-shirt, you have got to feel it. The quality is exceptional. Let's see what exactly is it. It is made of 100% cotton, and guess what? It's made in the wonderful USA. USA. So, American-made t-shirts from L'Agence. Please come in, call me. Oh my God, did I gain weight? This doesn't close. Okay. Bye.